Hello everyone, I'm Dhanya T N, computer teacher from Reliance Foundation School, Lodhivali. Today I'm going to show a project face emotion detector. So what is face detection? Face detection is the action of locating human faces in an image and optionally returning different kinds of face related data. So here this is the code. Here the sprite name is Toby, and then let's start our coding. Yes, now create an object named FD. To get access to the face detection extensions and its method. And there are three different functions I have written. So the first function is to on the video and the transparency value. I set the 0 and we can set its the value in percentage. You can set the value there for the transparency. And then enable box ft.enable box to enable the box when we use cameras for clicking pictures, you can see a rectangle box. So this is the bounding box and ft.set threshold 0.4. So set threshold is a function to use that simply we can say computer's confidence level to tell the expression, which expression it is. Computer's confidence level. So its value varies from 0.1 to zero point 0.9. So I have given here 0.4. Now this is the while loop. Here it's a loop. It's continuously work. The camera from the camera. If they detect any faces, if the ft dot count face detection greater than 0, the face is there and the expression is there, then say sprite.save. That's the function. That expression, which expression you are showing, that's angry, neutral expression, whether it is happy, it gives that Toby will say which expression it is. That's this function that is inside the while loop. If else conditions are there, if the face is there, it will happen, otherwise no face detected. It say the sprite, our Toby will say no face detected. So this is the while loop, continuously it will work, right? If it is true, that's this function will work. If the face is there, it's analyze the camera, then the face is there, then it will see the expression, otherwise it will give the message that no face detected. So this is our program. Now I am going to run this program. For before that I have to, yes, now I am going to run the program. Let's see what's happening. Now it's happy, I am smiling. Surprised. Now angry. So this is about our program. Yes, I'm not that much expressive, so sad is not coming, right? You can check all that. So it showed a surprise, angry, happy faces, neutral faces. Now you can check the sad face also using this code. I think it's clear and that's a very easy program. So try, everyone, try this in using PictoBlox. And thank you so much.